Today we're going to show you how to use the Vittoria pit stop. It's important to note that the pit stop can be used in all types of rubber, latex, tubular tires, inner tubes, and even road tubeless. It's very important once you get a puncture, make sure you remove all the remaining air from your tire. Open the valve all the way until it stops. Remove the cap, shake well, and insert the valve in the cap to make sure it's straight on all sides. Press up with some force to start to release the liquid latex and propane propellant. Make sure there's a tight seal on it at all times. When the propellant and latex have stopped moving, simply grab the cap, pull straight down, twist the valve back closed, wipe your valve down, and rotate the tire to make sure all the inner part of the tube, tubular, or tire is coated. The pit stop is an expanding liquid latex and propane propellant, which will repair cuts or punctures up to 1 millimeter and inflate your tire to about 100 to 110 psi.